Let's investigate the Splunk connector of data virtuality. I've already connected DV server to the Splunk server. Let's review the connection details here. You can see in the endpoint this is one server running on our premises with the specific port and services endpoint. We're using HTTP basic authentication and admin and the according password to connect to the server. And if I finish, I can see that these tables are coming up automatically here. So we have some tables and some procedures. Let's take a look at the procedures first. So we can see here some things that I can run on the data sources. And I can take a look at all the views that have been created. So let's take a look at this jobs view here. So I can see all the 3 jobs that have been created. And another one would be the search for the severity of error on the host's Splunk Lite. And this is already coming back from the Splunk server as well, so I can review all the details, I can work with the data, I could join this if I want to other tables in my data model, to other tables connected to the data virtuality server, so I'm completely free to work with this data and join it at will.